Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Under Desk Elliptical Machine. It's received 4.5 out of 5 stars on Amazon, and over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Imagine transforming your workday into a full body workout, all without leaving your desk. With the Under the Desk Elliptical Machine, you can boost your productivity, burn calories, and strengthen your muscles all while you work. Compact and quiet, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine, making it easier than ever to stay active. Whether you're working from home or the office, this sleek machine offers the perfect solution to combat sedentary habits, enhancing circulation and keeping your energy levels high. Invest in your health, multitask like a pro, and let every step take you closer to your fitness goals. Why sit still when you can step up your game? Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.